Okay, so you have 1 pint of solution that contains 8 grams of active ingredient. How many milligrams of active ingredient are there in 30 milliliters of the solution? So we know that we have 8 grams in 1 pint, and we have to get to milligrams over 30 milliliters. So we know that 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams, and 1 pint is equal to 480 milliliters. So, knowing that, we can say that 8 grams is 8,000 milligrams, and 1 pint is 480 milliliters. So if we replace our original fraction with the milligrams over milliliters, we can say 8,000 milligrams over 480 milliliters is equal to X amount of milligrams, which is what we're looking for, over 30 milliliters, because it's basically a ratio, right? Because, the amount of active ingredient per milliliter doesn't change per thing, right? We're looking for how much is it if we have 30 milliliters, but it's going to be consistent throughout because it's, that ratio, it's a solution. So we can set up this proportion, and then from there it's just, the simple proportion. And so then we have 480 x is equal to 8,000 times 30, and that turns into 480x is equal to, let me do some math, 8,000 times 30, which is equal to 240,000. And then if we divide by 480 on both sides, we get x is equal to 240,000 over 480. And so just solving for x, divide by that, we get 500 milligrams is equal to x. So the answer should be that this 500 is the milligrams. And we can check that by doing our the means thingy with the ratio. So we can say 8,000 to 480 is equal to 500 to 30, and so that should equal that. Let's see. 480 times 500 is equal to that 240,000. And what about 8,000 times 30? Again, equal to that 240,000. So those equal each other, so we're good. And yep, that's your answer. There is 500 milligrams of active ingredient in 30 milliliters of solution.